guys, welcome back to Abby Unfilter. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification. So at first, this vlog was supposed to be a part one, part two, part three, but circumstances, everything was placed in one vlog, but it will be labeled at Roselle Falls, Reggae Falls, and Grampa Falls in Portland. So it's three falls in one day vlog featuring Jamaica Medea Tour. Featuring Jamaica Medea Tour. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification. Right. So if in the video some part, because not everything can be edited out, you hear me say this is part two, this is part three, XYZ, just no pay me no mind. So just know we visited three falls in one day. Rochelle Falls, Reggae Falls, top all of them, Grandpa Falls. There was a dance there at the time when we attend Grandpa Falls, so it's not the best. It's a lot of persons, and so it wasn't the best. But nonetheless, we're grateful for the experience, right? So we visited three falls in one day. So go and subscribe to Jamaica Medea Tour. Link in the description, right? So enjoy the vlog. So today's vlog will feature Jamaica Medea Tour. Jamaica Medea Tour. Right, along with some friends. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, turn on the post notification. Wonderful Jamaica Medea Tour vlog. Link. So guys, we're at the first official stop. They're taking picture in front of the sign. Roselle. Just look and see. I don't know what I found. I don't know what I found.
Remember, I said this is the first one, you know, but we're not have nowhere to go. Till we reach the other one, then.
Kill me, then I'm big fast again. Hey, this is the first stop, the first fall. We are surprised. I thought it was something bigger. I thought it was something bigger. What's the sign here? We're at the first stop. Somebody is pouring water. Second on the list is Reggae Falls, which we regret not going there last. Anyways, 'cause it was the best. It was. Alright, so it is hidden in a quiet community, my opinion. Way back, we Jamaican would say behind God, right? In a very small, nice, clean community. We pass a lot of houses, right? Graveyards, shops, yes, you name it. So it is not on the main as Roselle Falls. Hey guys, welcome back to part two. Hey guys, welcome back to part two. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification. So we're at Reggae Falls now. The journey to come up here, it's like 6 out of 10. I don't know my lazy bad. It wasn't that bad, it's not that far. I really love it, I enjoy it. So I'm gonna go under the falls. The water is very nice. It's very, very, very nice. Water very nice. I don't want a room. These bodyguards are crazy. Woo!
rocky good.
The CEO, the founder of Jamaica, me there for. Inside of my baba way. So this is a few hours.
hours at Reggae Beach. We've been enjoying the falls. I think we're about to leave now because we are heading to Grampa Falls. That's the part 3 of the video.
So our final falls destination for the day was Grampa Falls. As I mentioned earlier in the vlog, there was an event there, so it was very crowded. Lots of kids also with their parents enjoying the beach alongside persons that is there for the event. It was a lot. It was too much going on. Was music all over, right? So yeah, but we did test the water anyway because we came so far. But this is the end or almost the end of the vlog. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification. But Reggae Falls took it for the day. Reggae Falls took it for the day. Okay?